Today I'm going to be reviewing Nebility Shapewear men's compression shirt. Now, I got the extra large. I read on here people say it isn't tight. This is pretty tight. Now, I'm not very lean, so I mean, it looks pretty good. It's definitely a tight fit. You can see in my stomach area, very tight, and I got the extra large. This feels very tight to me. I'm not very big. I mean, I've got a 45-inch chest. I don't know. This gets 4.1 stars. And like I said, I looked at the reviews. Some people said it's junk. It doesn't work. I don't agree with that. It definitely is a compression shirt. I could see wearing this, like for me, whether I'm working out or just under a shirt to kind of compress, since I'm not that 10% body fat, to use it to compress my stomach so it looks better in another shirt or something like that. Very comfortable. Now this says hand wash only, so keep that in mind. I don't know, for me, I mean, I think this is pretty good. I hope this review helps, and I'll see you next time.